Hello and welcome to How to Play Poker Solitaire, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the card game Poker Solitaire. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with one player. To play, you will need a 52 card deck. The object of the game is to score points. During gameplay, cards will be placed into a 5x5 grid. The player will score points based on the poker hand rank of each column and each row. The shuffled deck is placed to the side. The player will start gameplay by flipping up the top card from the deck. The player will lay this card down face up to start their 5x5 grid. The player will continue to draw the top card from the deck and place it in the grid until all 25 spots on the grid are filled. Once a card is played into the grid, it cannot be moved. Each column and each row are scored based on their poker hand. The first column on the left here is a flush for 20 points. The next column over is another flush for 20 points. The rest of the columns and the rows are scored. All the scores are added together to get a final score. That wraps up How to Play Poker Solitaire. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.